Hello guys, mayroong bird kami dito sa bahay. Hello bird. How are you bird? What's your name? What's your name? Puriko? Parrot? Oh, careful. Don't hurt yourself. Are you owned by somebody? How did you get here? Tuk 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 tuk. Tweet tweet. Are you a parrot? Are you a parrot? Look at this. Look at this bird. How big is that bird? I just don't know how she came here. We just opened our porch and I just hear the tweet 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 inside the house. So I look around and there you are, bird. Hi bird. Uh-oh. Hi bird. What's your name? Don't scare us. Don't scare us, bird. What's your name, bird? Yeah. Do you want to get out? Do you want to get out from this house? Can we be friends? Hello? Hello? We have a bird, Mama. Can I be friend with you? What's your name? Are you a parrot? I don't know what bird is this. It has a long nose. I don't know how to describe it. Oh, it's like a parrot. Tadut. Uh-oh. She wants to get outside, Mama. Oh, look at that. Don't hurt yourself. Yeah.
It's all open.
This will open the house. You want her to get outside? You want her to get out, Mama? She's our friend for a while. She will be our pet for a while. Come on. She's all over the house, Madam. She's all over the house. She wants to get out. Hello? You cannot get out. There's no escape here. There's no exit here. Unless we will open the door. I don't know why you get inside. Maybe you are owned by somebody here. in this building. Eh, where is she?
Tak mogą, może lecieć przez noc też.
What, Mama? Eh,
Leciał.
you want her to get up? Mother? He's angry now. Are you angry? She is angry now. She wants to get out. You're being owned by somebody. You call your sister. Mama, you want me to get her out? Mother, you want me to get that bird out? Mama,
Wow.
you want me to take that out? That bird?
There's a vehicle door at the window.
Yes, he cannot get out because there's the exit.
Sausages. But it's
Ah, shit! Bird, don't hurt yourself, bird. Where are you? It's here. It's here. I don't know where. Yeah. Are you a pet? Are you a pet for a while? Are you our pet for a while? You will be our pet for a while. Hey! Where are you? Where are you? Oh, I cannot find it. Oh, it's here. It's here. Oh, yeah. I don't know, where did you come from? Tell us. Tell us, where did you come from? Why did you get inside the house? Are you looking for somebody? Ah, bird. Are you looking for somebody, bird? It's on the ceiling. You will be our pet for a while, okay? You will be our pet for a while. You're so lucky you get inside the house.
need a sweater.
Okay, Mama, I will let her out for later. Okay, bird. Thank you for watching my video. We have a bird here inside the house.